Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In the first part, we uncovered why Alaska's long summer days make potatoes so flavorful. In this video, let's dive into the kitchen and discover the best ways to cook and enjoy them. From classic comfort food to modern dishes, Alaskan potatoes can shine on any plate. Cooler temperatures and pest control. Alaska's growing season, even with its long daylight, is generally cooler than many other potato-growing regions. These cooler temperatures have a significant advantage when it comes to plant health. Many common potato pests and diseases thrive in warmer climates. The consistently lower average temperatures in Alaska naturally reduce their incidence. What does this mean for your potatoes? Less pest pressure. Fewer pests mean less damage to the plants and their tubers. Reduced disease spread. Many fungal and bacterial diseases struggle to take hold in cooler conditions. Minimized chemical treatments. With natural defenses against pests and diseases, growers often need fewer or no extensive chemical applications. This natural pest control contributes to healthier potatoes. They grow in a more pristine environment without the constant threat of common agricultural issues. You get a potato that is not only naturally grown but also produced with fewer interventions, leading to a cleaner, more wholesome product. Cooking with Alaskan potatoes, recipes to savor the flavor. With all we've covered about why Alaskan potatoes are so special, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. How can you best showcase the unique heartiness and rich flavor in your kitchen? It's simpler than you might think. The key is to let the potatoes' natural qualities shine. You don't need a lot of fuss or complex ingredients. These recipes focus on bringing out that amazing Alaskan taste. Get ready to truly savor the difference. Simple roasted Alaskan potatoes. Roasting is one of the best ways to experience the pure flavor of Alaskan potatoes. The high heat caramelizes their natural sugars, creating a slightly crispy exterior and a tender inside. For this recipe, aim for the waxy varieties like Red Norland or Yukon Gold. Their firm texture helps them hold their shape beautifully during roasting, giving you perfect, bite-sized pieces every time. Here is a straightforward way to roast them. Preparation is key. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Wash your potatoes thoroughly. You can peel them if you prefer, but leaving the skin on adds extra flavor and nutrients. Cut the potatoes into roughly 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Season lightly. Place the cut potatoes in a large bowl. Drizzle them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and ½ teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Toss everything together until the potatoes are evenly coated. For a little extra zest, you can add a pinch of dried rosemary or thyme. Roast to perfection. Spread the seasoned potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding. If necessary, use 2 baking sheets. Roast for 25 to 35 minutes, turning them halfway through. They should be golden brown and forked tender. These roasted potatoes make an excellent side dish for almost any meal. Their robust flavor stands out without being overpowering. Creamy Alaskan mashed potatoes. When it comes to mashed potatoes, the inherent qualities of Alaskan spuds make all the difference. For truly fluffy and flavorful mashed potatoes, choose starchy varieties such as Russet Burbank or Alaska Frostless. These potatoes break down easily when cooked. This creates a wonderfully light and airy texture. You'll find you don't need excessive butter or cream to achieve a rich taste. The potatoes' natural flavor carries the dish. Follow these steps for irresistible mashed potatoes. Boil them right. Wash and peel about 2 pounds, 0.9 kilograms, of starchy Alaskan potatoes. Cut them into 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, chunks. Place the potatoes in a large pot. Cover them with cold water by about an inch. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Cook until the potatoes are very tender and easily pierced with a fork. Drain and dry. Drain the cooked potatoes thoroughly in a colander. Return the drained potatoes to the empty hot pot. Let them sit for a minute or two over very low heat. This helps evaporate any remaining moisture. Dry potatoes absorb flavor better and prevent a watery mash. Mash to a creamy finish. Remove the pot from the heat. Add 1/4 cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Use a potato masher to mash the potatoes until they reach your desired consistency. Avoid overmashing. That can lead to a gummy texture. Taste and adjust seasonings. Add more salt and pepper as needed. For extra creaminess, a splash more warm milk can be added. Do so sparingly. You'll be surprised at how much flavor comes through with minimal additions. These mashed potatoes offer a comforting taste that showcases the quality of Alaskan potatoes. The exceptional flavor and heartiness of Alaskan potatoes come from a unique combination of factors. The most notable is the extended summer daylight. These long hours of sun fuel intense photosynthesis, building robust tubers rich in complex carbohydrates and essential nutrients. This natural advantage is further supported by Alaska's glacial soils, providing a mineral-rich foundation and cooler temperatures, which naturally deter pests and diseases. Each bite of an Alaskan potato, whether a starchy russet perfect for baking or a waxy red ideal for roasting, offers a taste experience unlike any other. They are a testament to how specific environmental conditions can dramatically influence agricultural quality. Seek out these special potatoes. Experience the difference for yourself and savor this unique product of the last frontier. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.